Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Riley. Today I'm gonna be doing this makeup look, which is prom inspired for all of those who are going to prom and want to do makeup look. I'm using all drugstore products and it's pretty easy. I'm gonna do a bit of a different video today, and it's gonna be a Target run, but like prepping for prom is what I'm gonna call it. So getting makeup that is easy to do for people who are doing their own makeup. So I wanted to create a makeup look. I'm gonna show you products at Target to get. I may have to go to Ulta also because they have drugstore. Depends on how stocked Target is. And I'm gonna go through what to buy and then creating it. This is a great sponge for applying makeup. This is a great dewy primer. This one provides a lot of glow. Great for filling in pores. Lightweight foundation. A medium coverage CC cream. A dewy light to medium foundation. Can be used as a concealer or contour. Medium to full coverage setting powder. Great bronzer. Super easy to use liquid glitter eyeshadow. Great for baking under the eyes. Easy to use fake lashes. A great setting spray. Velvet liquid lipstick. Nice plumping lip gloss. And clear gloss. Glowy face setting spray and body glow spray. Okay, I came home after Target and I ate, and now I'm gonna head over to Ulta and Marshall's just to continue with my video, because for some reason my Target is always like not very stocked with makeup stuff. You can find good stuff at Marshall's. A nice liquid highlight. Great for cream contour. Cooling cream highlight. More colors of the glitter liquid highlight and no budge shadow sticks. Loose glitter eyeshadow. I am doing my brother's friend's makeup tomorrow. Her makeup for her prom. So I thought I should record a video for those who need help with makeup. First, I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow. I want to keep it pretty easy just for those beginners who need help, not as advanced. And I'm just using this E.L.F. concealer, and this is going to be a contour shade, but I'm putting it on my eyelids just so it gives a little depth to my makeup. I'm using this damp beauty blender, and I'm going to set it with powder. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Bacon Blot powder. Just take this, just blend it into my eye. It is nice and set now. For eyeshadow, I have a couple different options that are all from the drugstore. Super easy to use. You could use these E.L.F. shadow sticks, no budge shadow sticks. These are $5 each. And then another option is this E.L.F. liquid glitter eyeshadows, a silver and a rose gold. And I think I'm going to do this rose gold shadow glitter, and I'm just going to put that on my eyelid because this is super pretty and easy to use. You just kind of wipe it across your lid. It's a very easy applicator. And I'm doing my eyeshadow first, so in case you get any underneath the eye, you can clean it up easily. An example of the no budge, I'll go in with this to show you what it looks like. And this is the Rose Quartz no budge shadow stick from E.L.F. And you kind of just crayon draw on your eyelid. It's very pretty, just not as crazy, if you can tell between the two. That's the difference between shadow stick and the glitter. So I'm gonna go over the glitter, or this shadow stick with this, but I just wanted to show you an example of the difference between them two. So for prom, I definitely recommend like going something sparkly and shimmery, and you just get dressed up more than usual. So why not make your makeup a bit dressier, fancier? So that's what it looks like with the no budge shadow effect and this liquid glitter. It's a little bit more pinky, and yeah, it's not too big of a difference. So you could use both if you wanted, or you could just use one. If you need to clean up, I would just take a makeup wipe, kind of just go like that, clean up the glitter and anything underneath. Next, I'm gonna go in with primer. Some of my favorite primers are from the drugstore is this E.L.F. Poreless Putty primer. This one kind of like fills in your pores, and this is just the regular. They have a luminous and matte. This one kind of just fills your pores in and makes it look like a like smooth canvas. And do that T-zone. If you do want a dewy face primer, I would use this one. This one is very pretty on the face. Gives a nice glow. Next, I'm going to foundation. I'm going to use this E.L.F. Flawless Finish foundation and another good drugstore one. If you want more high coverage, I would go in with the E.L.F. CC cream. It's a bit more matte too. And then another one that is good is this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I'm just going to blend it in all over my face. Pretty sure they changed their colors, because this is like, I had buff before and it was a lot darker. This one isn't that dark. I mean, it matches well with my tan right now, but I like a little bit darker. You want to make sure you get your ears, and I just kind of, for my forehead, I don't add too much. I just kind of, whatever is left on the beauty blender, tap that on my forehead. And then an important step that you don't want to miss is taking it all the way down to your neck. That's all blended. Next is concealer, and I'm going to go in with this E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's this light one. And then I'm just going to do a little bit. Just need a tiny bit. I'm going to let that sit for a second. And then I'm going to do half my face using the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Tan Walnut, and I'm going to do the other half with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toast to show you the difference. I'm going to blend the concealer in under my eyes and just kind of tap it, going down and out. Using this, I'm going to blend in the contour. And I could use other makeup brushes, but for simplicity's sake, you can use this for about everything. And you want to push up the contour so your face looks more lifted. And then just tap. I'm going to do the same on this side. This one is the LA Girl one. Now time for liquid highlight. I do powder and liquid, but I always do liquid. I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow in the color Pure Gold. I'm just going to put that on my finger and then tap it in around my eye like in a C, top of my cheekbone, and then tiny bit on my nose. I'll show you what a COVERGIRL looks like, which is like this. This one's a bit more champagne-y color. It smells good and it feels really cool on the face. So that's that one with both, and then just the NYX. I like the side with both on it because I feel like it blends nicely together. For setting my face, I like this E.L.F. Halo Glow setting powder in light pink. I'm gonna tap a little and then go under my eyes. I'm also going to take the face powder on the beauty sponge and draw a line. So I have it here, and I just take it from here to the side of my lip, like right here. And this creates a more lifted look of your face. And then I'll just take the rest and put it around. I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna do, this is an optional step, but I would probably do it if I'm taking pictures and want a little bit darker. I'd go in with this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which is a powder bronzer, and it smells so good. This is where you would need a brush. But this is, again, optional if you want a little bit more color to your face. I'm just going where I had previously contoured around my forehead and cheek areas. Then I'm gonna go in with powder highlight. And I really like the Milani Day Glow Strobelight highlight. Mine's shattered, so yeah, but it's really pretty. Still works. It's a nice champagne color. And I usually take a small little brush like this and go on my nose. And then I'll go in the inner corner of my eye. You can also just do a little bit above your eyebrow. I'm gonna do my eyebrows next. And I'm gonna use this E.L.F. Wow Brow and just brush them up. And I use a very light hand with this. I'm gonna brush away the powder now. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna use this COVERGIRL Clean Fresh mascara. Okay, so this one's the L'Oreal, this one's the COVERGIRL. The L'Oreal had a bit more volume, thickness and volume, and the COVERGIRL one is very like light. It's good, it like lengthens them, but it doesn't make them too thick or anything. L'Oreal one's a bit better. The Clean Fresh one is perfect for every day. I'm going to use this Make It Dewy by Milani setting spray. And another one that you could also use is this E.L.F. Glow Dewy Mist. And then after I spray, I'll just kind of tap in around my highlight just to make it melt into the skin, so it doesn't have any harsh lines. I'm gonna do lashes for those who want to wear fake lashes. And I'm using this Ardell and just trimming the edges a little bit. So you can cut it if you need. Great, good. I'm gonna take this glue. Taking these tweezers, kind of letting it dry a little bit. So that's what it looks like. Just cutting about a centimeter, as much off. Then I'm gonna apply the glue again. Personally, I think these type of tweezers are very good for applying lashes. Then I need to curl this side together. lashes are on. Second to last step is brow glue. Just gonna push the brow hairs up. And a tip, if you're gonna use fake lashes, I would bring the glue and tweezers with you, just so if it starts to come off, you can fix it using that. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. I'm going in with this E.L.F. lip plumping gloss. This is my finished makeup look for prom. A prom-inspired makeup look. Eyeshadow was so simple, you just swipe it on, and the cream products that I used are easy to blend, and you just need this beauty blender. And fake lashes are a little bit tricky to add, so you don't have to do fake lashes if you don't want. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe down below, and it means so much.